Hey there, Happy New Year. I hope your 2017 is off to a fantastic start. Hey, listen, I wanted to take just a second today to give you a quick recap of where we ended the housing market in 2016. I'm often asked the question, how are home prices and so forth. So I thought, let's just take a minute, let's kind of quickly go through it and let's get it out of the way because, hey, 2016 is the past and we're looking ahead to the future. Okay, we're going to go through this real quickly. I'm going to hit some of the key cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, talk about average home price and price change from the year before. So let's start off with Dallas. Dallas average home price is $323,000. That's up 3% from the year before. Now let's just go down the Trinity River a little bit to Fort Worth, our sister city, $213,000. That's up 8%. Southlake. Interesting market. Southlake, as you know, is a higher price point market. Average there is $637,000. And wow, that is flat for this year, but not surprisingly because we have seen some softening in the upper end of the market. And I say softening, I should say going back to maybe a more normal type market. And in this case, about average home price is really not changing that much in Southlake. The Colony, $253,000, but look at that. 18%. Is that not incredible? An 18% increase on average home price from 2015 to 2016. Now let's take a look at Flower Mound. Flower Mound is average of 365. That's up 4%. Let's go down the street to Louisville. Louisville average price $259,000. That's up 6%. Coppell, just around the corner, $345,000 average price point, and that is up 2% from 2015. Plano, also up 2%. Frisco, there you go, up 4%. Midlothian. Now this is pretty interesting story here. Got an average price point in Midlothian of $276,000, but look at that. Wow, Midlothian, a nice increase of 15% from the year before. And then we also have Grand Prairie, just down the road from Midlothian. There we go, $198,000. That's your average price point for in terms of sale for 2016, and that is up, as you can see there, 9% from the year before. So those are kind of some of the key cities in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. The thing to keep in mind is those are average prices. All homes are different, all neighborhoods are different, all locations are different. Home prices really depend upon the condition of the property, location of the property, neighborhoods, those type of things. So if you would like any information about your particular neighborhood, your particular property, don't hesitate to let me know because that's kind of what I do and I'd love to help you out with that. Now, so where are we going for 2017? First of all, been a lot of discussion about interest rates, and I do believe, as you can see here, interest rates will continue to rise. As you know, the Fed raised rates back in December, and I think they will continue to do so this year. And so mortgage rates on a 30-year fixed have been increasing into the 4% range. I think that'll continue for this year, although it's modest. It'll probably get to the upper 4s, maybe to 5. But hey, think about it. The average mortgage rate on a 30-year fixed rate mortgage for the last 25 years is 6.5%. So we are still way below average. It's still very affordable, and again, rates are going up, but they're still very, very attractive. The second thing is home prices. I do think we will continue to see home prices increase in 2017, and that's driven by a couple of things. Number one is we have a very strong and diverse local economy, and that will continue to fuel the housing market. And with that, of course, comes an increase in population. We've seen a lot of folks transfer to the Dallas-Fort Worth area from out of state. And of course, that additional population and home buying population, I should say, will and continue to put pressure on home prices. And then lastly, we do still continue to have low inventory in terms of number of homes available for sale. So I think we'll see some modest increases in home prices. I don't think it's going to be ridiculously through the roof pricing. I think we're going to start heading towards a more balanced market, and I should say a very healthy market. So that's kind of my recap of where we've been, and most importantly, where I think we're going, because again, it's all about the future and what you and I make of the future, and I hope that we can make it a great one. So if there's anything I can do to help your future, help your 2017 be even greater, don't hesitate to let me know because I would love to assist you. Thanks again. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Take care, and we'll be talking to you soon. Bye now.